This was our projection for yesterday, and we're anticipating what price is going to do from this level into the ice, or if peradventure we did not have the expected shift to go into the high, then we can be looking for what the price is going to do below that level. And the reason why we are trading like this on lower time frame is because of what we are experiencing on higher time frame, which is a massive consolidation on higher time frame. And for us to kind of be expecting or anticipating any movement beyond this level, you know, is going to, if you are trading within this level, you might be having a one-to-one risk reward ratio. But on lower time frame, we go on lower time frame, still the same thing. We are trying to just capitalize on the movement. And mind you, consolidation on higher time frame can still mean a trend on lower time frame. So that would be a kind of uh, opportunity for there will be a lot of opportunity created for us on lower time frame. Even though on lower time frame it require high speed movements and decision making, then we've got to be very careful. And that's the reason why risk uh, management is very, very important. So today now, since we did not have our expectation being fulfilled yesterday, then which means no trade for us because we can see the way price just moved throughout yesterday in a consolidative manner. Once it break is something, but if we look closely, let me take out these two lines. If we look closely, we will see that there is no break of this low in the market because as you can see, price did not close below that low. And for whatever reason, price did not close below that low. Any wick that has been created, money has been transferred from this level to this level again. So we'll be anticipating closure below this low. And as you can see, this closure cannot be fully capitalized on, even though the liquidity below it was taken and we created another high. And personally, I fought for this level yesterday as it was created because we have this internal something here that we I kind of want to capitalize on and for price to go into the high. And for the fact that price did come out take out the low is an indication that okay, we are being manipulated in the market. So that being said, and that happens to be some kind of what is it called in the market. So we're going to go on higher time frame, try to see what we can capitalize on. And as you can see from this particular level here, we established these two ranges yesterday, and breaking from this level, we can see that we have a close below this low, and we can win out with the price action we are expecting from here and compared to what we have here, and we'll be expecting lower prices. I doubt not because from this level here, we can see that it was internal structure that did close the something. And this internal structure, if it is something that is going to hold, then we should have been anticipating lower prices in the market. It should just continue, but the next internal structure, the next candle after the internal structure was created, did not even close below this this last candle that we have here. So which is an indication that price is still not willing to go lower. And now we're just going to pick this newly formed low as our dealing range. And mind you, we have this level within the market, but anything can happen from within that level. So we're just going to flow within this high and low at least for today. We try and see what price is going to give to us on lower time frame. And mind you, if we take gambles and try to determine where the 50% line. So here will be our daily range for today. And on lower time frame, we're just going to be looking out for levels that we can have some movement on. So personally, I use structure on lower time frame, and we're just going to stick with that and try to see if price is going to give us something. And from this level, these are the two levels that stand out to us now. As you can see, this happens to be uh let's term it a strong guy anyway, because as you can see, it comes to break this low. And even though we close below it, but nonetheless, this will be our established range on lower time frame. So it should be that will be our week low, except we have this level being taken out. So here will be our daily range on lower time frame, and we'll be anticipating wherever price is going to do. From within this level, we are above the 50% of the daily range now. So from within this level now, we're anticipating what price is going to do and give to us from within this level. So if we come, this is stronger, which I'm expecting it to be protected because of the fact that it takes liquidity above this high, come take out this low, then we can be anticipating a shift being created in within the market. And this low might actually be our level that we'll be expecting price to do what to rate. So we can still be anticipating that price might come to this level, but if we see the candle formation from this level, we'll see that the price has already created a shift on lower time frame. We check 3 minutes, you will see that clearly. So you can see we have this here. This shift has been created and price is giving us some kind of reaction into there. So this strong guy might not be strong again. So it might be taken out, and we might be expecting shifts from this market then being taken out into the highs. And whatever happens, we're just going to flow with it from that level moving forward. So our projection is actually going to be if this high is being taken out, then we can be anticipating higher prices in the market. But just like we projected yesterday, we can be expecting a shift, even if this high is going to be taken, we can be expecting some reactional something from this level. But if we decide to just go up just like that, then market leads will just follow. But I just believe you have to understand that from within this level with what price is doing, all we are expecting is price to create a shift from this level, wherever level here. So if it's going to continue, we can have something like this, create a shift, then we continue to move lower. So that's projection one. And another something we can be expecting is the fact that, okay, price is reacting from within this level that we are. Price can take out this high, or it can even create a shift for us, create a shift before it continuing to move into the highs. That's another possibility. Then another possibility is for us to kind of move from this level, take out the high, retest the level, and continue to move into the highs. So there are a lot of possibilities. Whatever price do from within this range is what is going to determine if this strong guy is being taken, then we're just going to continue, like I indicated there, or we have it creating a shift for us, then it takes it out. Another possibility, but we can still have a reaction because this is a weak low here. We might be expecting price to come to this low, so we can have a shift or price just continue to come down. So these are the three possibilities that we might be expecting from today's trade. So from that, we're just going to flow with it on lower time frame. So that'll be all, at least for now. Thank you very much. Have a lovely and a profitable day.